everybody. I'm Thrakmar P. Spagnasty with Thrakmar's Tractor Graveyard Emporium. This weekend marks our 20th year in business.
And we're having a huge celebration and blowout sale.
Yes, we have savings that'll blow out your poop chute.
We're slashing prices.
This weekend only, every customer who brings their grandma gets a $200 rebate.
Cash in, Grandma!
And a free rubber chicken. And complimentary tattoos for all the kids. And we'll have entertainment, music by the air banjo players.
Air and banjos together at last.
And every customer gets a free plate of chicken and coleslaw. Cooked up by our custodial engineer and human resources director, Cletus Billingsworth McNelson III. Plus, everyone's favorite lady, Baby Grubworm, will be on hand to tell you all about our incredible sales bargains.
Hey there, all you baby mamas out there. Stop breastfeeding for a minute and tell your sugar daddy about our big sale. Get him down here and we'll bribe him with chicken and coleslaw.
And of course, our annual dinosaur impersonation contest, hosted by me. You'll get to witness my award-winning legendary impersonation of a Tyrannosaurus Rex that drank too many Red Bulls. So get off your keisters, fire up that jalopy, and drive on down here this weekend and celebrate with us and take home a one-of-a-kind, rusted piece of history for your front yard. Thrakmar's Tractor Graveyard Emporium, located at 1964 Old Dam Road off South 73 Highway.
Thrakmar's Tractor Graveyard Emporium.
Beep, beep.